You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. The name of this historical landmark in Arizona. For more confusing names from Arizona, make sure to stay tuned. Taliesin West. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here, although that's more a US pronunciation. Taliesin West. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.